Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Current Affairs for You. So today we will discuss the important current affairs of 26th November. So before that, watch the video completely and share with your friends and subscribe the channel, which motivates me to make more videos. So let's begin today's current affairs. The first one, when do we celebrate National Constitution Day? So the options are 25th November, 26th November, 20th November and 19th November. So National Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th November every year. So 26th November is celebrated as National Constitution Day, and 25th November is observed as United Nations United Nations International Day International Day for elimination of violence against women. You can simply remember as International Day for elimination of violence against women. Violence against women day. Violence against women day is 25th November. 25th November. Next, the theme for International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women for 2020 is Orange the World. Orange the World. Orange the World. Fund, Respond, Prevent, Collect. Fund, Respond, Prevent, Collect. So this is the theme for International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women, which is celebrated on 25th November. So the theme is Orange the World, Fund, Respond, Prevent, Collect. Next, this is the Constitution Day, Indian Constitution Day on 26th November. Next, which of the following state CM launched Him Suraksha Abhiyan, door to door campaign to ensure safety against COVID 19? So the options are Punjab, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan. So which of the following states chief minister launched Him Suraksha Abhiyan and door to door campaign? Option Punjab, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan. So Himachal Pradesh chief minister launched Him Suraksha Abhiyan and also door to door campaign. And let's talk about Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh Mandi. Mandi in Himachal Pradesh stop PMGSY, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, and they started MMT, medical mobile unit, which is called as Jeevandhara, medical mobile unit which is called as Jeevandhara to take care of rural area people, and this is the first state to have LPG connections in all houses. Himachal Pradesh is the first state to have LPG connection to all homes or houses. Next, Punjab, Punjab's CM, sorry, Punjab's Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh started Divyangjan Shakti Karan Yojana to help PWD, persons with disabilities. Divyangjan Shakti Karan Yojana to help with persons with disabilities. Next, Rajasthan's Chief Minister Rajasthan's Chief Minister started Statue of Peace is started by unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Rajasthan, and Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, started Child Rights Week from 14th of November to 20th of November. Two schemes were launched called Vatsalya Yojana and Samartha Yojana. Vatsalya Yojana and Samartha Yojana are launched by Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and also Indira Gandhi Maternity Nutrition Scheme, which gave 6,000 for the second born child. Next, which of the following tiger reserve? Sorry, which of the following tiger reserve won the TX2 award for 2020 for doubling the tiger population? So, this is a prestigious award. The options are Bandipur Tiger Reserve, Manhas Tiger Reserve, Corbett Tiger Reserve, Philbit Tiger Reserve. So this is Tiger Reserve. So Philbit Tiger Reserve, which is in Uttar Pradesh, won TX2 award for 2020 because it doubled the tiger's population. Philbit Tiger Reserve, which is in Philbit Tiger Reserve, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Next, the remaining options: Bandipur Tiger Reserve in Karnataka, Bandipur Tiger Reserve in Karnataka, and Manas Tiger Reserve, which is in Assam. Not Manas. Manas Tiger Reserve in Assam, and Karbat Tiger Reserve, which is in Uttarakhand. So recently Uttarakhand in news. So Cherry Blossom Festival in Uttarakhand, Nainital, is has been cancelled due to COVID-19. So Philbit Tiger Reserve won TX2 award for 2020. Next, against which country Indian Army launched Operation 500? So the options are Iran, Pakistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. So against Pakistan. There is a news that Pakistan trained 500 terrorists to enter in Jammu and Kashmir and to infiltrate Jammu and Kashmir. So the government of India and the Indian Army launched Operation 500 to eliminate these 500 trained terrorists. So Operation 500 is in Jammu Kashmir to eliminate the 500 trained terrorists. So the option is Pakistan here. Next, who has become the new chairman of ICC, International Cricket Council? Very important. So the options are Greg Barclay, Anil Kumble, Ricky Ponting, Kapil Dev. So Greg Barclay, you can see him in the picture. Greg Barclay become the new chairman of ICC, and the previous ICC chairman, he took the position of Shashank Manohar. Shashank Manohar. Now Shashank Manohar is replaced by Greg Barclay, and let's talk about Greg Barclay. So Greg Barclay is from New Zealand, and he is a commercial lawyer. And also he is the director of New Zealand cricket. For so many years. So now he is the present chairman for ICC, International Cricket Council. The headquarter of International Cricket Council is in Dubai. International Cricket Council headquarters is in Dubai. Next, Guru Tegh Bahadur Shahidi Diwas is observed on. It means the death anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur Shahidi Bahadur, the ninth Sikh Guru. So there are 10 Sikh Gurus. Among them, the ninth Sikh Guru was Guru Tegh Bahadur, and his death anniversary is observed as Guru Tegh Bahadur Shahidi Diwas, and the answer for this question is 24th November. 24th November is observed as Guru Tegh Bahadur Shahidi Diwas. Next, he is the ninth Guru of Sikh community. Seventh question: how many apps were banned recently, including the Chinese app AliExpress on 25th November? So 43 apps were recently banned, including AliExpress, on 25th November by Government of India. Next, Hovri railway station in Karnataka is renamed as. So the options are Arun Jaitley railway station, Brijnesh Kumar railway station, Mahadevappa Mailara railway station, none of the above. So C option is correct. Hovri railway station, which is in Karnataka, is renamed as Mahadevappa Mailara railway station. And who was Mahadevappa Mailara? He was a freedom fighter of Karnataka. From Karnataka, he is a freedom fighter. So that's why Hovri railway station has been renamed after his name. And there is one more railway station called Hubi railway station. Hubi railway station in Karnataka, and Hubi railway station is also renamed as Sri Siddharudha Swami railway station. Sri Siddharudha Swami railway station. So Hovri railway station renamed as Mahadevappa Mailara railway station, and Hubi railway station in Karnataka is renamed as Sri Siddharudha Swami railway station. So next, according to Bloomberg Billionaires Index, who is the richest person in the world? So options are Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Ratan Tata, Jeff Bezos. Previously, we might think that Bill Gates is the richest person, but now it's Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. The founder of Amazon is the richest person in the world. So next, and interestingly, the second position goes to Elon Musk. Who is Elon Musk? The founder of SpaceX. The founder of SpaceX and also Tesla. The founder of SpaceX and Tesla now in the second position in the world's billionaires index, and Bill Gates has dropped down to third position and he is the founder of Microsoft. So let's start again. According to Bloomberg's billionaires index, first position is Jeff Bezos, Amazon's founder. Second position, Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and Tesla. And third position, Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft. Next, who was named from India among 7 players as most prestigious award ICC Men's Player of Decade? So, ICC Men's Player of Decade, there are 7 players nominated for this. Out of those 7, 2 were Indians. Now the question is, who are they? Options are Virat Kohli, Ashwin, MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma. So A and B is correct here. Virat Kohli and Ravichandran Ashwin from Chennai. These two are nominated for ICC Men's Player for Decade. So this is also prestigious award. So Virat Kohli and Ashwin are the ICC Men's Player of Decade among 7 players. So that's all for today's. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.